Hi everybody, I'm Shawn Womack. I'm the Director of Franchising here at Credit Restoration Associates. At this time, hopefully you've seen the CEO and owner's video and you know that we're a great company to partner with. I'm super excited today to be able to tell you a little bit about the franchising program. We're again A-rated with the Better Business Bureau. We're licensed and bonded with the Department of Consumer Affairs, as well as we're the only credit repair company in the state of Virginia that is a member of NACSCA. That's the National Association of Credit Service Organizations. That's a big deal. We pay a lot to be a member of that organization, and that legitimizes us as a credit restoration company. You know, the fact that we have a lawyer on staff really separates us from the other credit repair agencies. Our lawyer will fight for our customers, and he has fought for our customers and won. Again, I'm excited because I used to be a tax owner, and I wish I had a program like this years ago to be able to help meet the expenses after April 15th. Not only was I in the tax business, I used to be in the car industry. And it was nothing worse than having a single mother, a family that, because of their credit and not having 100% accuracy, they couldn't get the car. Well, I'm in a different position today. I'm able to help that single mother, help that family, not only be able to get a car, but get a home. We're able to help them change lives. So give us a call today so that we can help you help someone else.
So you've heard from Robert, you've heard from Shawn. What's your delay? Pick up your phone and call us now. 1-800-648-5157. We can't fix broke, but we can fix credit.